You scare mommy.
Put your leg over, Kayla. Take your leg over. The other way.
Hold on. She says, hold on. Let me adjust.
The other way. Now hook it in. And swing
Mine
the
same
leg
dog.
around.
Belly flop.
And one more time.
Can't you see her jumping off the diving board? I can.
Oh yeah. She gotta learn to swim pretty soon.
You troublemaker. You're dangerous. Dad says yes, trouble.
You're tired, Kayla. Easy.
She hasn't quite mastered that leg.
That's just too much fun, huh, Kayla?
Okay, just for the record, she also just ate soft serve ice cream. She's had a little too much sugar.
It's a very nice place, Vic.
Easy, you're gonna fall.
This is new. This is the first day she's done this, right?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
You can see it's new. Look at the interest
Yeah,
level.
right.
This is what she does. She gets, especially in physical activities, she finds something new.
She masters it.
Yeah.
Climbing over that gate, she's been doing that forever. She just didn't have an interest over there, so we gotta put,
Woo! That was a nice little roll.